Welcome to Gallagher's Grub. Today we're making a quick and easy bison chili. It's going to be healthy, it's going to be tasty, it's going to be piping hot and delicious, so stick around. We're going to start by adding some oil to a Dutch oven. Add a medium chopped onion. Then add a 16-ounce package of ground bison meat. We're going to add some garlic salt, fresh ground black pepper, chili powder, and cumin. And you want to cook this until the meat is no longer pink. Add a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes and a smaller can of tomato sauce. Reseason with garlic salt, black pepper, chili powder, and cumin. Stir all these together. Place on the lid, leaving it partially open for some steam to escape, and cook for about 10 minutes. After those flavors come together, it's time to add our beans. And I'm using a can of dark red kidney beans, but you could also use black beans or pinto beans. It's up to you. And we're going to cook this for another 10 minutes or so until the beans are heated up and ready to eat. And we'll give this one final stir, a little taste test, make sure our seasonings are right. And we are ready to plate this up. 2 nice big ladles full, a little bit of raw red onion sprinkled on top, or you could use green onion. And then, of course, copious amounts of cheddar cheese. So here we have our bison chili, and I'm going to give this a taste. Piping hot. This is perfect for a cold night in New York City. You know, the weather's starting to change. It's starting to get a little chillier. And wow, this is just, it's terrific. The bison is healthier than most beef with the cheddar cheese in there and the raw onion at the end. Just a nice touch. That's great. Super easy, really healthy. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.